Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
The backyard is not just a piece of land behind the house. It's an extension of your living space. A relaxation zone, a personal retreat of silence, or a setting for heartfelt gatherings. Backyard decorations are the finishing touches that bring warmth to the space, making it distinctive and memorable. Decorating begins with understanding the overall concept of the space. It's important to consider the style of the house, the surrounding environment, the size of the yard, and of course, your personal preferences. To create a harmonious look, it's best to choose a unified mood, whether it's natural simplicity, classical symmetry, or relaxed eclecticism. Decorations shouldn't clash. They must work together like an orchestra. Each element plays its part, but together they create a complete melody. Garden paths are among the most versatile backyard features. Stone slabs, pebbles, wooden slices, decorative gravel, they're not only practical, but they help structure the visual flow of the yard. Paths can lead to a secluded nook, a bench under a tree, or a cozy gazebo. And on the way, your eyes catch glimpses of other decor elements, as if reading the garden like a book. Lighting deserves special attention. Light plays a crucial role in setting the evening mood. Soft path lighting, lanterns hidden among plants, string lights woven through tree branches, they add a sense of magic. The garden doesn't just stay visible after sunset, it comes alive. Light highlights the shape of shrubs, the play of leaves, the texture of wood. Sculptures and art objects offer a chance to express individuality. They can be classical, like antique figures, or modern, abstract forms in metal, glass, or concrete. The key? Choosing the right scale and placement. A tiny figurine lost in tall grass feels accidental, but a bold piece in an open space, it becomes a visual anchor. Plants themselves are living decorations, but with the right touch, they become theatrical backdrops. Arches wrapped in clematis or roses create a fairy tale portal. Vertical trellises with climbing plants act as natural screens, adding privacy. Potted compositions, when unified by style, bring bursts of color and breathe life into even the quietest corners. Water features always add depth and tranquility. A small fountain, a trickling waterfall, a decorative pond, or even a simple bowl of water with floating petals. All of these are not just visually appealing, but fill the space with sound. The gentle murmur of water soothes, while reflections of the sky add air and light. Don't overlook seasonal details. Hanging planters in summer, pumpkins and lanterns in autumn, fir branches with fairy lights in winter. These touches allow the garden to shift with the rhythm of the year, keeping it alive and engaging. The changes, but the coziness remains. Handmade elements bring special charm. A painted birdhouse, DIY lanterns made from glass jars, signposts with inscriptions, even an old chair turned into a flower stand. These touches tell a story and make the space feel warm and truly yours. For those who value solitude, partitions, living hedges, or bamboo screens are perfect. They visually zone the area, creating cozy niches for reading, meditating, or simply enjoying quiet moments. Even the smallest details matter. A doormat at the door, decorative trays on a table, colorful stones at the base of plants. A garden is composed of such details, and in them lies the soul of the space. It's essential to feel the balance. Avoid cluttering the yard, but don't leave it bare. There are no rigid rules when decorating a backyard. What matters most is that everything around you feels close to your heart, delights your eyes, and brings a sense of peace. Harmony comes not only from beautiful things, but from the mood they create. A garden filled with meaning becomes a reflection of your inner world. By decorating it, we also decorate ourselves.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.